Hey everyone, and welcome back to our AI Nation series. I'm your host and your AI guide, and today we're diving into a topic that's incredibly close to my heart, and probably yours too if you're a student, a young professional, a parent, or a teacher. We're going to talk about why AI is a must for the younger generation. Because let's be real, AI is no longer some futuristic concept. It's here, it's growing, and it's transforming the world we live in faster than any generation has ever seen. So why does it matter so much for the next generation? Let's unpack it. First, let's rewind just a bit. Think about how every generation has had its big thing to master. For our grandparents, it was probably learning how to navigate a world shaped by cars, radios, and eventually TVs. For our parents, it was the digital revolution, the rise of computers, the internet, and mobile phones. But for today's youth and tomorrow's leaders, it's artificial intelligence. And here's the thing. AI isn't just another tech skill like learning to type or use a spreadsheet. It's a fundamental shift in how we live, work, learn, and interact with the world around us. Imagine this. AI is powering the apps on your smartphone that recommend music, movies, and even the next book you'll read. It's behind the voice assistants that answer your questions, remind you about your homework, or help you learn a new language. It's the engine that drives social media algorithms, deciding what you see, what you like, and even what you might believe. So, whether you realize it or not, AI is already shaping your daily life. But here's why the younger generation can't afford to ignore it. Because AI will shape the opportunities, the careers, and the very future they'll inherit. Let's dive into 5 big reasons why AI is a must for the younger generation. Reason 1, AI is the new literacy. Think back to a time when reading and writing were considered elite skills. Only a small percentage of the population had access to education, books, or even the time to learn. Today, literacy is essential. It's the foundation for everything, from communicating, to learning, to working. Now think of AI as the new literacy. Understanding AI, what it is, how it works, and what it can and can't do, will soon be as essential as reading and writing. Why? Because AI will be everywhere, in the tools you use, the jobs you do, and the systems you rely on. If you don't understand AI, you risk being left behind in a world that's increasingly driven by algorithms and data. But if you do understand it, you'll be empowered to use it, shape it, and even build it yourself. Imagine a world where every kid learns the basics of AI in school, just like math or science. A world where AI literacy isn't just for computer science majors, but for artists, musicians, teachers, and doctors too. And, because here's the truth, AI is no longer optional. It's a core skill for the 21st century. Reason 2, AI will shape the job market of tomorrow. Let's talk about the future of work. A lot of people worry that AI is going to steal jobs, and in some cases it might. Automation is already replacing repetitive tasks in factories, offices, and even in creative industries. But here's the flip side. AI is also creating new jobs, roles we couldn't have imagined a few years ago. Think about data analysts, AI ethicists, machine learning engineers, and even prompt engineers, the people who design and refine how AI interacts with humans. These jobs didn't exist a decade ago, but now they're some of the hottest roles out there. And it's not just about tech jobs. AI is transforming every sector: healthcare, agriculture, transportation, finance, and education. Knowing how to work with AI, how to use it to make your job easier, and how to collaborate with AI systems will be a key skill in any profession. Imagine a nurse using AI to diagnose diseases faster, a farmer using AI to monitor crops and improve yields, a teacher using AI to personalize lessons for every student. For the younger generation, learning how to work with AI isn't just about coding. It's about future-proofing your career. Reason 3. AI is the ultimate creativity partner. Let's bust a myth right now. AI isn't just about numbers and logic. It's about creativity too. Artists are using AI to compose music, design new fashion lines, and even write poetry. Filmmakers are using AI to generate special effects and plan complex scenes. Game designers are building AI-powered characters that adapt to players' choices. For the younger generation, AI isn't just a tool. It's a creative partner. Imagine brainstorming ideas with an AI that can suggest new angles, generate visuals, or even help you write the first draft of your story. AI can expand what's possible in every creative field: art, music, design, writing, and more. Think of it this way. AI can take care of the repetitive or technical parts of the creative process, freeing you to focus on what matters most: your vision, your message, and your unique voice. Reason 4. AI is shaping the world, so let's shape it back. Let's get real. AI is already shaping the world we live in. It's influencing elections through social media algorithms. It's deciding who gets a loan or a job interview. It's even helping decide medical treatments and prison sentences. That's a lot of power. So here's the question. Do we want to be passive users of AI or active shapers of it? The younger generation has the chance to decide what kind of AI future we build. One that's fair, transparent, and inclusive, or one that's biased, opaque, and unfair. Learning about AI means learning how to ask the right questions. Who built this algorithm? How does it make decisions? Whose data is it using, and who benefits from it? By understanding AI, young people can become the leaders, policymakers, and innovators who ensure AI is used responsibly and ethically. Reason 5. AI is a bridge to global opportunities. AI isn't just transforming the local job market. It's connecting us to a global economy. Imagine a young entrepreneur in Nigeria using AI to build an app that helps farmers predict weather patterns, or a student in India using AI to design a low-cost medical device, or a teenager in Brazil using AI to create music that reaches a global audience. AI levels the playing field. It gives young people anywhere the chance to compete, create, and collaborate with the world. For the younger generation, AI is a passport to the global economy, a chance to solve big problems, build new businesses, and make an impact far beyond their hometown. Let's expand even further. AI is transforming schools and classrooms right now. Picture a classroom where every student learns at their own pace, guided by AI that adapts lessons to their needs. Instead of struggling to keep up with the class average, every student gets the support they need to thrive. Teachers aren't replaced. They're empowered to mentor, inspire, and guide, while AI handles the routine tasks. Imagine a student in a remote village with access to the same AI-powered tools as a student in a big city. That's the power of AI to democratize education. And it's not just about academic subjects. AI makes learning engaging. Think about language learning apps that tailor lessons to your strengths and weaknesses, or math tutors that adapt to your pace, giving you confidence to tackle challenges. AI is also a tool for lifelong learning. Imagine a high school graduate learning graphic design, or a young entrepreneur mastering business analytics. With AI-powered platforms, anyone can learn new skills, anytime, anywhere. That's a game changer for a world where technology evolves fast. The younger generation needs to be ready not just for today's jobs, but for tomorrow's opportunities. Now let's talk about collaboration. The future of work is about collaborating with AI. Picture a young entrepreneur using AI to spot market trends, or a community organizer using AI to design programs that make a difference. AI can help young people amplify their voices, Imagine a young activist using AI to analyze climate data and inspire change, or a student journalist using AI to uncover important stories, and AI connects people across cultures. Language translation apps powered by AI break down barriers and enable global collaboration like never before. But with all this potential comes responsibility. The younger generation must understand not just how to use AI, but how to use it wisely. That means thinking about privacy, ethics, and fairness. It means asking tough questions about who controls AI, how it's trained, and who benefits. AI learns from data, and that data can reflect human biases. If we're not careful, AI can amplify those biases. That's why young people need to be part of the conversation about how AI is built and used. Imagine a world where every young person feels empowered to question AI, to understand its strengths and limitations, and to demand that it serves everyone fairly. That's the future we need to build. Now let's look at some real-world examples. Take 16-year-old Emma Yang, who built an app to help people with Alzheimer's recognize loved ones. Or kids coding AI projects that help their communities, like flood detection systems or translation apps for refugees. AI needs more than just coders. It needs artists, storytellers, and philosophers, people who can think critically and ask big questions about the world we're building. So whether you're into science or art, business or education, there's a place for you in the AI revolution. As we wrap up this episode, imagine the world 10 years from now. Will you be a passive consumer of AI, letting algorithms decide what you see and buy? Or will you be an active creator, using AI to make a difference? The choice is yours. The future is yours. So let's get started. Let's learn, explore, and build the AI future we want. Because AI isn't just about technology, it's about people. It's about building a better world together. Have a powerful day, and remember, the future is bright, the future is yours, and the future is now. Let's make it amazing together. Have a very powerful day.
I'm like, hey, what's up?